So you're Wasilla Steve.
Wasilla Steve.
Facebook's been telling me to friend you for like 6
Facebook
months.
has been telling me to friend you.
You're one of the
You gotta watch Facebook.
Okay, guys, load and make ready.
This is also where you reiterate. Remember, guys, you're in close quarters. Do not sweep your buddies.
Not my buddies. Dot number 1.
Hey, who put mine upside down? Hold on.
Oh, shit. Good Lord. I just wrote the name on it.
Okay.
Everybody stand easy. Go fix your target. I didn't put the target up there. I just put your name on it.
Yeah. Somebody didn't like my editing.
See, what you should have said is like, I get the opportunity to shoot it upside down and beat these guys.
Dude, I almost took a shot at it.
Center fire pistol. Draw and aim and fire 5 consecutive shots at dot number 1. Stand by.
Good job, Ed.
Okay, is everyone complete?
Do you sleep with that thing at night?
I do. Okay, guys, dot number 2. Draw, aim, and fire 1 shot. Then reholster. Do this for a total of 5 rounds. Shooters ready? Stand by.
It is from surrender position each time. Dead surrender. From surrender. It doesn't say it, but it's just standard.
Okay.
You freaking count. I think I got 2 more to go.
Okay, dots 3 and 4. Draw, aim, and fire 1 shot at each dot and reholster. Do this for a total of 8 rounds. 4 rounds on each dot. Shooters ready? Stand by. Dots 5 and 6. Draw, aim, and fire 1 shot at 5. Reload and fire 1 shot at 6. Reset and repeat 2 more times for a total of 3 shots on each target. Shooters ready? Stand by. 7, strong hand only. Once again, draw, aim, and fire 5 consecutive shots at dot number 7, strong hand only. Shooters ready? Stand by.
Lord, I should have been shooting one-handed.
Dot number 8. From support hand only. Low ready, aim, and fire 5 consecutive shots into dot number 8.
Score anyway. Why don't
Shooters ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Dots 9 and 10. Support hand only. Low ready. Aim and fire 2 shots at each dot. Back to low ready. Repeat that 3 more times for a total of 8 shots on each dot. 16 rounds expended. Shooters ready. Stand by.
slow, steady concentration. How many shots? Should be 8 on each target.
Have fun scoring mine.
Shooters complete. Range is safe.
All right.
Get your targets, guys.
All right, so if you're going to show the targets, we're going to say that this was a shotgun stage.
Well, once again, that's how we did. You can see Marufo did quite a bit better as far as keeping up with the group than he has been. He's been practicing a lot on it, so that's pretty good. Bill's going to pull a 0. He's on vacation this week. Going to let Marufo catch up to him as far as the match points go. And you can see that the Hobbit is going to pull away from me a little bit. And that's all she wrote. So go ahead and subscribe if you liked it, and don't if you didn't. Check back and see how we did on the rifle for week 5. And don't forget to check back later, see how we do with the rest of the league.